this hotel. I don't even know what hotel we're at. ThyssenKrupp modernized them. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what these were. Older one too. Well, no, I don't know. Oh, these are Westinghouse? Huh. That's where the indicator was. That looks like a very long and skinny indicator. Already going up. Oh, sorry. I'm just filming for a project. Oh. Take care. Jesus, that door closed button's like stuck. That was not awkward at all. All right. Yeah, so. Yeah, these were Westinghouse, it looks like. That or Schindler. I don't know. Look, that's the alarm for the elevator, I would reckon. Anyway. Oh yeah, these were. That confirms. Anyway, that's it.